All right, we have some big news coming in. Army soldiers suffer injuries during gunfight with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. One junior officer, 4 jawans suffer injuries. Forces have killed 2 terrorists. This is the latest update coming in from Kashmir. Army soldiers suffer injuries. In fact, here the army soldiers are suffering injuries during gunfight with the terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. One junior officer, 4 jawans have suffered injuries, and forces have managed to kill 2 terrorists. Remember, we're looking at encounters that's taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. Army soldiers in the melee have been injured. 2 terrorists have been neutralized. This is the first-hand information that we get. One junior officer and 4 jawans suffer critical injuries while they're on the hunt for terrorists. Over the last few months, we're looking at civilians being killed. And here it appears that the army is on overdrive, trying to gun down, literally hunt those terrorists hiding in the nook and crannies along the Jammu and Kashmir border. Let me quickly cut across to Sunil G. Bhatt. Sunil, what really happened? Where is this encounter taking place? And tell us about the terrorists who've been neutralized and those soldiers who've been injured.
Well, Nabila, this morning the security forces had a specific input about the presence of terrorists in Surankot area of Poonch district. It's a very far-flung area, forest area, and a massive search operation was launched, and soon an encounter began. There was exchange of firing, and now the army has confirmed that 5 personnel have been injured, including a junior commissioned officer. So reinforcements are being sent, and what we have learned from our sources that about 4 to 5 terrorists are still holed up in that area. A massive gunfight is on, and gunshots can be heard even on the road. So right now the operation is on, and the army is saying that that they have sent reinforcements, but the information that is coming from Poonch district right now is that 5 army personnel, including a junior commissioned officer, have been injured in this encounter. Some reports are suggesting that this could be a fresh, group of terrorists who may have infiltrated from the line of control, but the army is yet to confirm it. But Nabila, clearly in the recent days we have seen that there has been increase in the terror activities in the Jammu and Kashmir, whether it's Kashmir region or Jammu region. In the Kashmir Valley, we have seen that terrorists have indulged in targeted killings, particularly of people belonging to minority Hindu and Sikh communities. And in the Jammu region now, an encounter has broken out in Poonch district of Jammu region, and the army has sent reinforcements and 5 army personnel are injured. That's what we are learning from our sources. Nabila, back to you.
Well, thank you very much, Sunil G. Bhatt, for joining us. But here we're looking at serious terror threat along Jammu and Kashmir. Army soldiers now have been injured while they're on the hunt for terrorists. 2 of them have been encountered, while one junior officer, 4 jawans suffer critical injuries during that face-off.